Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra with a broken display and it needs a new one. So let's get started. So we are going to start by removing the back cover on the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. And first thing that I've observed is the back cover looks amazing on this white color. And we are going to be very careful when removing this part. Slowly slice through the adhesive. And once it's opened, we are going to slowly detach the connector or some sensors at the back of this smartphone, and we're gonna put that to the side for now. And we're gonna unscrew some screws on the bottom part wherein you can see that some daughter boards on top of each other. So this is where you can find the connector for the display. I'm gonna remove the SIM card tray, and here we have our replacement display. And after that, we are going to remove the front display that is damaged, and I think David has not filmed that. And here we are already in the process of putting some liquid glue on the front part of this smartphone, and we're going to attach our replacement display. So the corner of this smartphone is where you can find the connector for the front display. So when we turn this, the back, we're gonna focus mainly our attention on the bottom part of this smartphone. So here we have the SIM card tray, the connectors, all in the same place. So it's gonna be tricky to track everything. So if you are not sure, you can refer to some YouTube videos. And of course, if you are not really adept in performing complex disassembly and reassembly process of a smartphone, then you can just let your local technician do the job for you. We're gonna screw this in and we'll test it. And it's working. Of course, that's David. He's making it look easy. By the looks of it, this Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra is ultra wide, so it's kind of a big smartphone, and we're testing the camera. David is very humble. He's not really excited that he's fixed this. So we have a lot of Xiaomi repairs done in the past few days, so David is kind of he knows that he can do this. So we're gonna close up the device. We're gonna put some fresh liquid glue for the back cover, and we're gonna attach that connector that we first removed when we opened this. Another part that can get damaged if you don't know what you're doing. So for pro technicians like David, he knows that there's some booby traps or connectors that can get damaged if you're not careful. And I think there's some issues with the smartphone, so he's gonna try to solve that. And now it's solved. I believe he's just seating the battery properly or something. But here, we're gonna close up the device for good, and it's gonna be ready for the client. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. If you have any questions, comment down below. Message us on Messenger. And we'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.